This month, we're celebrating African American achievements here in Connecticut. And this morning, we want to introduce you to a trailblazing motivator in medicine. Here's our first installment of Black History is Everyone's History.
I'm Dr. Cato Laurencin. I'm a university professor of orthopedic surgery, and a professor of chemical engineering at the University of Connecticut. And I think my story starts in North Philadelphia. I was born and raised in inner city North Philadelphia. My mom was a primary care physician and actually had her office on the first floor of our house, and really got interested in medicine at that point. I also noticed that my mother was very involved in reaching out to people in the community, especially young people, and that's something I think that really became ingrained in me at an early age. My dad was a carpenter, really hardworking, and that also ingrained in me the importance of hard work and using my hands. Got involved in chemical engineering at Princeton, really got interested in the area and started working and became a chemical engineer. And so I did my MD at Harvard and my PhD at MIT. I started my laboratory at MIT and then continued work in orthopedic surgery. And have been doing both since, and combining work in clinical orthopedic surgery as a shoulder and knee specialist, and also my research in terms of regeneration of tissues, complex tissues, and mainly in the knee and the shoulder, and combining that work. I've been very, very excited about the work that we've done. We've created new systems for regeneration of bone, new systems for regeneration of ligaments, and they're now finding their way. They're either in the clinic or finding their way in the clinic in a number of different applications. Mentorship is very, very important to me, and I probably get that from my parents, and we've worked very hard in terms of mentoring the next generation of individuals who are working in the field, especially minority individuals. I was just in Georgia Tech to give a talk, and it was great to visit a young professor who was actually now a tenured professor who actually started working in my lab about 22 years ago, and to see the growth and development, and now he's mentoring another generation of African Americans and other ethnic minorities in his laboratory, and it's great to see that happen. I'm certainly proud of the award from President Obama, the Presidential Award for Excellence in Mentoring that I received at the White House 2 years ago. And I'm proud of that because mentoring has been a way of life for me, and bringing on and developing young people has been something that's just been a natural part of what I've done, and it's great to get that, to have that recognized in those different areas.